Well, Dalton law of the partial pressure. So that principle of the Dalton's law is, in gas mixture each component exert pressure independently. So P total will be P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus dot 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 plus Pn. So here 1, 2, 3 are nothing but the component. So partial pressure I means I component is nothing but Xi. Xi is the mole fraction into P total. So here Xi is nothing but Ni by N total. So for critical for gas mixture, atmospheric chemistry and that industrial process, so these are the area we can use the mole fraction. So now here is the example, partial pressure calculation. So gas mixture, so gas in a gas mixture, so in that gas mixture, so what are the component? Nitrogen, oxygen. Okay, so here 2 mole of nitrogen, so 1 mole of oxygen and 0.5 mole argon is there at 300 Kelvin and 10 liter. So now here, so partial pressure we can calculate. So P is equal to N at T by V. So N is 2 mole for nitrogen, then R we know 0.08206, T is 300 Kelvin and V is 10 liter. So that will be 4.926 atm. Partial pressure of that oxygen, so say similar way we can do that. P is equal to N at T by V. So P, that 1 mole, then R 0.08206 into 300 by 10, so that is 2.46 atm. And that argon pressure, that P is nRT by V, so P is nothing but N is 0.5, then R and then T by V, so that is 1.232 atm. So now here total pressure and mole fraction, so total pressure is here 4.926 atm plus 2.463 plus 1.223 atm. So if I add all this 3 atm pressure, so that will be 8.621 atm. Now here mole fraction will be 2 by 3.5. Why 2 by 3.5? So you have to see here. So Xi is nothing but that Pi by P total. So here that P by 3.5. okay, so here that mole fraction is that individual mole by total mole, so 2 by 3.5. so here you can see here one way you can do that calculation, Xi is Pi by P total, or here Xi by Ni by N total, that way also you can do that. So now here, so individual mole by total mole, individual mole is 2 and total mole is 2 plus 1 plus 0.5, so 2 by 3.5, that is 0.571, and that mole fraction of oxygen is 1 by 3.5, that is 0.286, and X argon means mole fraction of argon is 0.5 by 3.5, so that is 0.143.